At the end of every season, Michaels normally has clearance that they put in a grab bag, or better known as a mystery box. And those mystery boxes are typically $10 per box. However, today when I went to Michael's, the boxes were $5 per box. And I bought two. You know what this is. It's a reveal. It's an unboxing. In this video, I'm going to show you what was included in the two boxes that I purchased at Michael's. Their seasonal grab bags, AKA mystery box. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa S of By Vanessa S, and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. You know how this goes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell for future notifications of videos as they release, and subscribe. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Okay, so I'm in a different location today. I'm literally in my craft space, which is also my garage, which is fine. And as you can see, I have on my smock. But today is different because I stopped by Michael's to check out something, and they still had their mystery boxes, their grab bag boxes. Now, when I went in there last week, they had a bunch of them, and they were $10 per box, but they marked them down to $5 per box. I believe they did that today. And I decided to get two of them, two for $10. Plus 73-cent tax. So anyway, one thing that was really exciting in a sense is because as I was looking at the boxes to determine, you know how you look through them to see which one you want, to see if you can see what's in them or see how heavy they are, whatever you do. One of the things that I noticed was that, you know, they had stuff on top and around. The manager came up to me and she said, if you're getting a mystery box, you can have all or as many as you want of the Christmas paper, the Christmas wrapping paper. They had about 11 rolls of Christmas wrapping paper. It was two different types, patterns. And then there was another thing. So I looked at the Christmas paper, and at first I said, well, I'll get a couple of them. And then I decided, well, why not get all of the pattern that I liked? So I didn't like the other pattern. It had a deer on it or something. I just didn't like it. But the one pattern I did like, and there were about 5 rolls. So since you told me that I could have as many as I wanted of the Christmas wrapping paper, I went ahead and got all of the rolls that had this pattern that I liked, because it was just this one and another pattern. So I have 5 rolls, okay, of this Christmas wrapping paper. And then this was on top of the box, and she told me I can have it as well. So I added it to it. Now understand that all of this, all of this is considered part of the mystery boxes that I purchased. So if I purchased one mystery box, this would have been still a part of the one mystery box. I bought 2, but this was part of the mystery box, all for the $10, because each mystery box was $5. Okay. Now, here's the thing when it comes to these type things. I may not ever use this Christmas paper if I was just wrapping just gifts, you know, for family and friends or something like that. But that's not the case. I run a small business. So this is how I try to think ahead when it comes to the value of these type grab bags, mystery boxes. I run a small business, and one of the things I do is I offer gift wrapping for purchases during the holidays. And so now I have 5 rolls of gift wrapping paper that I can use for gift wrapping for the holiday season when it comes. And I don't have to purchase any more unless I need it, but this is plenty, 5 rolls. So that's what I was thinking when I picked up the wrapping paper. Now this, on the other hand, yeah, the easy craft for this would be just paint it, right? Just paint it. Well, no, you know me, I like to reinvent things. So, yeah, it might get painted, but there's going to be a little bit more. And I can almost guarantee you that this is going to be a YouTube tutorial video project. Okay, coming up when the holidays get closer. Okay, so these two things were part of the mystery boxes. Now, let's get into what's actually in the box. So this is box number 1. And as you can see, the highlight of this box is these pine cones. Now these pine cones are scented. And as you can see, some of them are even have a little glitter on them. But the highlight is the pine cones. And then there's a couple of other things here for children. This excites me because it's an ornament that I can decorate myself. This other stuff, of course, I'll donate, but the pine cones are the highlight. And so between now and the holidays this year, I will come up with a project, a tutorial on how to use these pine cones. Okay, so this is box number 2. And all of this was in box number 2. All of this. A few things I want to point out. There were several ornaments, actual hang-up ornaments. All of these over here are ornaments, okay? But look how much ribbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 spools of ribbon, okay? 13 spools of ribbon. Also, there were 2 gift items. This mistletoe wish, both of this is also bath bombs. Okay, so these are 2 gift items. And then the DIY project items. Now that is what excites me more than anything. The DIY project items excite me because, so like these, okay, these can be decorated. This can be decorated. This can be decorated. All right. And This is my favorite actually because these are sublimation ready. So these can be decorated, but they're also sublimation ready, so I can use sublimation designs to design these. And this is a 6-piece, so I really like that. They have bows, as you can see. Then they have other projects. Even though this is considered wall decor, it can be repurposed. It can actually be decorated in a way and repurposed. At these. So there's a lot of creative goodness here in this second box. This tree, I'm really excited about this one too because this can be repurposed. It can be decorated. There's a lot of things that can happen with this macrame tree. And I'm pretty sure I'll figure that out. And then you have these molds. And these type molds. So there's a lot going on in this one box. That was $5. Some of the stuff I will donate, but as I pointed out, a lot of this stuff I will use, and you'll see how I use it and repurpose it in a future video.